Hi guys, good morning. I'm at the bus station. It takes like about 1.5 kilometers from my house, but I was like crossing another village, and while I was crossing it, there was two people, like a grandma and grandpa, who were going somewhere with their pickup truck, and they were like, come on in with us, and I've talked a bit Greek with them as well, and they were like, well, your Greek is good, but my Greek is not good. I started to learn it tomorrow. I think I have my first lesson, and my husband learns it already from last week. I'm going to the city. I need to make my driving lesson. I have it at 1 p.m. and it's 11 now. So yeah, I will have it for 1.5 hours until 2:30, and then I'll have another hour until my bus will go from the city to this place. And luckily, the bus that I will take back home, it has like this small extension of another bus that will take me exactly to my village of this 1.5 kilometer. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm in the city. The weather is a bit better than it was a couple days ago, and I actually I realized like today is the first day when I make my vlog in English, and I realized that it's kind of harder for me to speak, like to make a vlog on a street in Cyprus, because before I was speaking Russian, and not like everyone in Cyprus speaks Russian, but there are more people who understand English, and I feel a bit shy of talking on the street, which is alright. It's like kind of challenge that I need to take. Okay, so I had my coffee. I found a very nice coffee shop. The guys make a very tasty coffee, which is good. And I'm going towards the spot where my teacher is gonna pick me up for the lesson. I have my driving test on 9th of July. So it's gonna happen quite soon, and every day I'm getting more and more nervous about it. And my teacher as well, I think so. So it's kind of stressful to, first of all, to think about the fact that it's gonna happen soon, and to have lessons with my teacher, who's a bit nervous and stressed because she has lots of students who has exams coming. So I'm trying to figure out what can be the things that will like settle me down before the lesson, but it's hard. So I got the coffee. It's like a treat for myself. I liked the coffee a lot. Yeah. So, but okay, again, when it starts, it passes quickly, like 1.5 hour. It's kind of quick, and I need to practice more with my husband, even though I go with a car. Like when we are in the city, both of us, and we go home, I'm always on the wheel. I'm a driver. So I got more practice in the recent months, but like as we live in the village, the way that I take is more of a like it's more I need to know how to use the wheel and how to use the speed. But to pass exam in this city, you need to know how to, you know, how to turn, how to be in your lane when you turn, how to like to, I hope you know what I mean. Look, I will go a bit off of my way because I have some time, but it's just like, for me, I can't look at anything else but this. Look, wow, so beautiful. Wow. There's like it's I don't remember the name, Delenium or the something like that, and there's like a little spot of bougainvillea on the top. So there's several plants are connected together, which is beautiful. Love it. I also actually noticed that there's lots of things blooming in the mountains now. So hopefully maybe next week or the week after that we will go for a hiking in the mountains, and we will see what's going on there, what our plans bringing us there. Okay, I need to find my zen for my lesson. So the lesson is finished. 1.5 hour. My teacher came a bit earlier, so we finished a bit earlier, and I have 1.5 hour until the bus. The lesson was amazing, and the funny thing is that I think that like I need to practice every week or maybe more in order to like be ready for the test. But it's the second time when I had like a 2 weeks of like rest from the teacher lesson. I went with a car with my husband, as I told it already, but the thing is that when I have this rest, then I come back and I drive better. And I did all the exercises from the first time, like going by the pavement back, and making a parallel parking, or making a 3-pointer when you need to turn your car to the opposite way. And on the rings I was pretty good. I made a mistake just one time, and everyone was chill. Me and my teacher, we were chill, and I really felt good. So I don't know. I started to think that maybe I need to do something nice in the morning before the exam. So I have it at 1 p.m. 9th of July. I think it's Tuesday. So maybe I'll think of doing something nice for myself, so I'm not like nervous the whole morning. Yeah, I think I need to have a bite. I need to have some food because I'm hungry. Still, I have very nice food at home, but I'm gonna be home in like 2 something hours, and I need to eat now. Yeah. It's just my cat. So I came home, and there's like the 3rd bird in this week that he killed, and he brought it inside the kitchen, and there's like a dead bird on the floor in the kitchen. And I was trying, I wanted to like to throw it away, but I can't even enter I can't even enter the kitchen. My husband Andrew, he said,
he will come home after the meeting that he'll have now. But it's actually funny. I feel all right, but I'm not feeling all right because it's like the third bird in a week. And I don't know how to explain to a cat that he shouldn't do it. I give him enough food to eat. And this he makes just like out of his nature, right? It's like, but for me it's very hard and painful to see. Last week he ate it, and I just saw like the rest, like the little pieces of the wings and the tail, and I needed to throw it away, and it was all right. Although I was on the phone with my husband while I was doing it, but now I just can't. It's like the whole dead bird in my kitchen. It's very hard to live with it. It was there were lizards before and a mouse. And okay, mouse is okay, right? It's not in my kitchen, thank God. And lizards is also like, it was a bit shocking for me at first, but then I was like, okay. But birds. If you have any idea what can be done, I'll be grateful. So my husband came and rescued me from the dead bird. And I need to refocus, and I want to show what I bought today for me. I bought myself a new planner, middle year. So it starts from July 2024 and it ends in August 2025. Inside we have a calendar, we have monthly overview, monthly self-care notes, monthly self-care goals. This month, what am I grateful for this month? Then there is weekly. Let me show you this kind of weekly plan, and I think that's it. And some pages of free notes in the end, and a pen goes. And I really like the color, and it's kind of small and not really heavy, because the one that I have is quite big compared to this one, and it's more heavy. This one is not heavy. I'm not sure if the pen is good, but I have a nice pen from Andrew's work. It's the same shape, so I can put it if I want, if I didn't like this one. They look kind of similar. Let me try. It's black. Nice. Okay. Also, I got sticker book with some stickers, because I'm more of a visual person, and for me it's better to have stickers next to the things that I need to do, so I can be more so my brain understands it better. And also I got these markers with like different shapes, and I wanted to be I want to make like a list of habits that I want to have. that I want to do, like not eating sweets or not drinking alcohol or not smoking and blah blah blah. And I want to put, like, every day put like a heart or a sunshine or something for each good habit that I have. And I got myself a little Rubik cube. Is it how you say it in English? I had it in school in 11th grade. I did it pretty good, so I thought, why I won't try. So I need to mix it and then I can try to do it again. I thought that, like, there was a bigger one, the like normal size, but I tried this one and it's quite alright. So I thought, why won't I try to use the small one? You can put it somewhere, attach it to a bag or something. So yeah, I'm gonna see and start planning with my new planner. I'm very excited. Dee, dee, dee. Hi guys, it's Tuesday, 11 a.m. I already had a Greek lesson, and I'm going to have a breakfast now, and my plan is to clean the first floor a bit, to create a lesson with ChatGPT for a friend of mine that I teach English. The class is going to be tomorrow, and then after that I'm going to the city. I have a soon lesson. Before that I need to buy the fabric to create a skirt. Yeah, that's the plan.
Waking up in this paradise, thought I was paralyzed. It's just as I realized, a continuous fall. I jumped on a fast train to jump off a fast train to land on my glass face. It all breaks the same. I'm up in the airplanes, looking for airplanes, destined to make a change. So I jumped towards the sea. Yachts in the ocean, like God is the potion. It's all just emotion. Do you see what I see? I'm seeing stars. Seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. You look at the fast cars passing with light bars. We call them track stars, but the bridge stays the same. Bikes in the nighttime, it's never a bad time. Splash of emotions, it feels just like rain. And I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars.
guys. I took a shower, we had dinner, and Andrew brought me to the bus station with his car. And now I'm waiting for the bus. I've uploaded previous videos that I made yesterday and today. And I'm going to start creating this vlog that you're watching in the bus, because I'm gonna be at home at 7:30 p.m. or something, even later I think. And usually I put it to upload around this time, and I need like 3-4 hours for the first upload, and then I need another couple of hours to have an HD quality. So sometimes when I have time during my, like while I'm going somewhere, I start making a draft of the vlog. I'm gonna check now where's my bus, because we have this app where you can see where the bus is, which is amazing. I'm gonna check, and maybe I'll start now. So it should be here, like according to the schedule, it should be here in 4 minutes, but it's not gonna be here in 4 minutes because I don't see it on the map. He didn't even switched it on the car, I think. That's why I don't see it on the map. Dee-dee. I found the shop with the fabric, and it was so overwhelming because there are like thousands of different materials, and they all look so nice. And I want to make stuff out of almost every material that I saw there. But I wanted to get linen, and I was wondering how much it costs, and it's like 9 euros per meter or something. So yeah, for 1.6 meters I paid 10 euros. And I took like basically it's similar to what I'm wearing now, the t-shirt, but it's more of a bright color. I'll show you here. Yeah, it's like my nails. Bougainvillea, like a bougainvillea flower color. I had a coffee. I've stayed a little bit in the cafe where I took coffee, and now I'm on my way towards the place where I have my courses. Pretty excited. Yeah, I already started to think like that's so nice because I'm gonna be able to make skirt first, and then we will learn how to make trousers, I think, or like a dress. And what I just saw is that one of my goals is to learn how to make a jacket. And once I know how to make a jacket from scratch, I will be able to make it out of some upcycled material, which is one of my goals. I need to look at the map. There's so many flowers around. I love it. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so what I actually wanted to tell is there is nothing interesting, in my opinion, gonna happen today. So I'm going for my courses, and then I will go to take a bus to go home, and then it's gonna be in the evening. We're gonna have some dinner. I think I said already that I had dinner, but that's because yeah, sometimes I name lunch dinner and dinner lunch. That happens with me. But you can understand from a daytime what am I talking about. Sorry for that. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys like my English. And hopefully some of my Russian followers will stay with me and will understand what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for being here. I will much appreciate if you put a like on this video and if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.